Hi, this is Justin with Marigold and Ivy, and today I'm going to show you how to remove rust from a shirt, and I'm going to use hydrogen peroxide and some other natural products. So here's the shirt, and right here is the rust stain. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put some salt on it. Some iodized salt, and then I have some lemon juice, and I'm going to put that on there. Now I have some over here. I already put together some baking soda and some hydrogen peroxide. I can you can also add cream of tartar to this, but I didn't have any on me, so I already mixed the hydrogen peroxide and baking soda. Now I'm going to put this as well on there. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this outside and let it sit. It's a nice day out, the sun is out, and I'm going to let it sit for about 30 minutes and I'll be back. So after leaving the shirt outside under the sun for around 30 minutes, I brought the shirt back in. I removed the baking soda, the hydrogen peroxide and the salt and lemon juice, wet it down, and now as you can see the rust stain is removed.